In this quick video, we'll learn how to easily lock a YouTube video. YouTube recently introduced a new update that includes a screen lock feature. Let's go ahead and enable it to lock a video while watching. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of YouTube installed on your device. Once you're up to date, open the YouTube app and select any video. For this demonstration, I'll open one of my own videos, but this works for any video on YouTube. After opening a video, turn your phone to the side so that the video goes into full screen mode. Once the video is in full screen, tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the lock screen option. Tap on it, and your screen will be locked while watching the video. This feature prevents you from accidentally tapping on buttons that pause the video or skip to the next one. It's especially useful if kids are watching videos and you don't want them messing with the YouTube player controls. To unlock the video, simply tap on the screen, then select Tap to Unlock. Keep in mind that your phone must be in landscape mode or the video must be in full screen for this feature to work. And that's how you lock a video in the YouTube mobile app. If this video was helpful or if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.